Hey, it's another little Wayne Bite, just a little taste of this and that, and it's October, so it must be time for pumpkin recipes. And I'm joining in the fun, I must admit. I have a council meeting tonight. I'm a docent with Chicago Architecture Center. I do the river cruises. And we have a council meeting tonight, so I thought I would bring some of my pumpkin cookies. These are pumpkin cookies that have coconut and white chocolate chips. And here's how they go together. You start off by creaming together your wet ingredients. I have 1.5 sticks of butter, 2 cups of brown sugar, 1 cup of granulated sugar. I'm going to cream those together until nice and smooth. Then I'm going to add 1 large egg. I'm going to add 1 cup of pure pumpkin. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend that together until nice and smooth. And then the dry ingredients, I have 4 cups of all-purpose flour. To that I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice, and then 1 cup of shredded coconut, and 1.5 cups of Old Fashioned Rolled Oats. Blend all that together, and then gradually mix those ingredients into your wet ingredients. Once that's fully blended, you're going to cover it and refrigerate it for an hour. Well, now I unfortunately forgot an ingredient. You also want to add 12 ounces of white chocolate chips. You want to do this while you're mixing all the ingredients together. I unfortunately had to do it after I refrigerated my dough for an hour, which made it a little challenging. Now I use my little mini scoops, about a tablespoon's worth, and I'll put that onto my baking tray, and then I'll put that in a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes. Now everybody's oven's a little bit different, so I have 15 minutes with my oven. You may be anywhere from 12 to 18 minutes with yours. You'll have to experiment a little bit to see what works for you. So now that everything is cooled off, I'm actually going to just pack them away in one of these boxes, which I got from Michael's Craft Store. Now this recipe is down below. I'd also love to hear your comments. Feel free to write them in the comment section down below. Hey, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. You'll find lots of other things on my YouTube channel about recipes, about travel tips, about craft projects, all kinds of fun things. I'd love to have you on board, and the subscribe button is just right there below. See you next time.